If you're watching this video, chances are you're looking for an automated or passive online business that you can start to use to make money without a lot of time or effort. Well, if that's you, you're in the right place, because inside this video, I'm gonna reveal to you the exact business I've been quietly using to generate over $500 a day. As you can see on the screen right here, that was a recent deposit that hit while I was sleeping. Okay, this money was made without me talking to people, without me chasing anyone, without me bothering my friends and family. This money came in while I was sleeping, while I was hanging out with my friends and family, while I was just doing the things I love to do with the people I love doing it with. But I want to share with you that it's not just me. Right now, I want to share with you on this screen some other people from all over the world who had never done this before, but they were coachable, they watched my video, they got started, and this is what some of them were able to experience. You can see this person that messaged me here. They said, by the way, we've already gotten our first sale less than 15 hours after joining your streamline. Okay, first sale, that means money into their bank account. You can see this person here. He reached out and said, hey brother, just wanted to say thanks again. In just a little over 4 days, I've already made over $600 with the team. I have huge plans of ramping up this month. And I'll just share one more. This person said, hey Garrett, my sales have been increasing so much thanks to you and the training you shared. I am finally about to quit my job and do this full time. Thank you for everything. Pretty amazing, right? Now, again, these people had never done anything like this before. They weren't technical, but they were willing to learn, willing to apply what I shared inside this video, and they got results. So right now, what I'm gonna do is hop in front of my whiteboard, and I'm actually gonna break down exactly how this business works so you can realize how simple it is and start to create the results you truly want. All right, my friend, now I'm in front of the whiteboard, and what I'm gonna do in a second is break down exactly how this passive business works. So by the end of the video, you're gonna be able to go out there and realistically create results for you and your family. Now, this is gonna work whether you've done anything like this before, whether you're brand new, you're not technical, you don't know how to sell. This can work for you because, again, it's up to 90%, if not 100% in some cases, as you'll see, automated. So if you've ever wanted the experience of being out with your friends and family, or even sleeping, you wake up, you check your phone, and you feel that rush of excitement as you see a deposit hit your bank account, and you don't even know who that person was that had joined you or bought, this will work for you, okay? So first off, when it comes to having a business online, what I want to do is break down the pieces and then share with you exactly how we can automate this with the business that I'm revealing inside this video. So there's two pieces. It doesn't matter if you want to do Shopify, which is basically drop shipping other people's products. It doesn't matter if you're a network marketing, affiliate marketing, selling your own product. It all comes down to getting traffic and making sales. Now, what is traffic if you don't know? When it comes to selling something online, you have a website online. Now, this website is often referred to as a sales page. This page actually will sell your product or service online for you. It's gonna do all the telling and selling for you. Now, many people online don't even have a sales page in place. They don't even have their own website. And if you aren't technical, or you think, Garrett, I don't have a website, I'm actually gonna share with you how you can get a free website in a second so you can actually put all this into place. But essentially, you want to get traffic or people or visitors to your website, and then you have to make the sale. Okay, now what I want to do is actually break down first off a little bit of my stories so you can see where I'm coming from when I want to share with you this automation. And you're going to also see parallels when it comes to what other people online are sharing, because unfortunately a lot of people are stuck in the 80s when it comes to building a business, and they're not adopting automation and leverage inside of their business. So they're still doing things like, for example, to get traffic, they're passing out flyers. Maybe you've joined a business in the past and people have told you to make a list of people you know, okay, and call those people. Make a list, popular in network marketing. Oftentimes when you join a network marketing business, they will tell you to make a list of your mailman, your dentist, your mom, your dad, your grandma, and then call those people and try to pitch them on your business, okay? Passing out business cards, okay? A lot of people are doing this. A lot of people are prospecting, okay? Which, if you don't know what prospecting is, basically it's going on Facebook or Twitter or Instagram. It's messaging people manually all day long, basically asking them, hey, are you open to a side business? It's basically doing the work of what a system and automation can do for you, and it's doing that, and people are doing that all day long, very tediously, having these long, drawn-out conversations. Passing out flyers, okay, that's very manual. It takes a lot of work. You have to hit the pavement. Making a list of people you know. Oftentimes you'll find a lot of people you know, even your best friend, are not really as motivated about creating change in income as you are. So when you do that, you're going to get rejected after rejected. And I know, because the first couple years of my online career, if you will, I did that, and I felt the pain of rejection. Still to this day, some friends or people that were my friend don't even answer my phone calls because I came at them in a way that wasn't calibrated. Business cards. Often you'll pass out business cards and people won't message you back, in prospecting. And then what goes wrong with people when it comes to selling? Well, oftentimes when, let's say they use this, which again, I'm going to share in a second, the solution to actually automate all of this. So you don't have to manually sit there on your computer all day or walk around your neighborhood. And then sales, what people would typically do is they'd, pick up the phone all day. Pick up phone, okay? And they'd have these conversations. So they'd get people from this, if they were lucky and finally got someone to go to their website from one of these methods, then they would actually pick up the phone and try to have hour-long conversations all day with these people, trying to find out their pain, the problem, and stuff like that. And this works, but again, it's taking a long time, and there's a lot better, easier, faster ways. They'll actually do all the upselling. Okay, so one of the keys to making a tremendous amount of money fast online without a lot of work or time is basically upselling people into other products. But what people are doing is they're getting on the phone and they're having to do that themselves because they don't have an automated business in place that's doing that for them. What else is wrong? Sales. They're following up. So on Facebook, for example, or Twitter, they're messaging people. Let's say they're prospecting people. They're getting them to their website, and then they have to have a notepad of follow-ups. So the fortune is in the follow-up. Most people do not buy a product instantly. Most people don't decide to get started right away. And so you need to follow up with those people. But on Facebook, what people are doing is they're making a notepad of all the different people they've talked to, all the different profiles, and essentially they're going out there, they're having to try to remember all that stuff. Many people are dropping the ball. Many people are not remembering who they're talking to, and they're leaving tons and tons of money on the table. So how do we automate traffic, and how do we automate sales? Okay, well, this is exactly what I'm going to break down. And by the way, there's going to be a link around this video, so at any time in this video, you can actually click that link and find out my #1 recommended business and how you can actually position yourself inside that business to earn up to a $2,000 deposits, 100% of that money paid to you instantly. Okay, you don't have to wait a month, you don't have to wait 2 weeks to get the money. When you make money inside of the business at the link around this video, you get all the money instantly, okay? So you can scale, you can pay off bills, you can travel, you can do the things you want to do with the people you love to do it with, right? So traffic, what do we do instead of hitting the pavement? Well, you can either do paid advertising, okay, paid ads, which is like Facebook advertising, YouTube ads, where basically you pay and it will just run, sending visitors to your website, which, by the way, again, that link around this video, when you go to that link, you'll see how you can actually get a free website and follow-ups, which I'll share in a second, totally for free when you go to the link below. But basically, paid advertising, if you have a little bit of money, you can have a Facebook ad running for you 24/7, generating traffic. But the reason I say it could be 90% automated is, let's say you just have enough money to invest into a business, right? You're researching, you realize that it obviously takes an investment into yourself, into training, tools, and resources, and you're going, yeah, Garrett, obviously it takes money to make money. Obviously I'm willing to invest in myself. I'm willing to invest a little bit up front now so I can spend the rest of my life living the way I want, and you understand that. But maybe after you invest $500, $2,000 into this business, which in comparison, to like a Starbucks or owning a McDonald's in your neighborhood is virtually pennies, because it takes $1 million and up to 5 years to make your money back with a McDonald's business. But this is just, $2,000 at the most in investment that you can actually make your money back the first day. But anyway, let's say you don't have money to do paid ads after you invest. Well, what we want to do is simply copy and paste ads online. Copy and paste ads online. See, there's two things when it comes to having a business online. There's selling, which is passing out flyers, going door to door, hitting up your grandma, and then there's marketing. Marketing is where you put an ad out there and the people that are interested are going to respond. Well, at the link below, you're going to find out how you can get access to copy paste ads. So you just paste those literally in 30 minutes to 60 minutes a day on Craigslist, on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram. We show you how to do all of it. You just paste those ads and you're going to have people responding that are interested. Then you just send them to your website. Now, here's how we automate the sales, because again, we're not going to have to get on the phone. You're not going to have to, manually follow up. What we do is when you send people to your website, this website has emails hooked up to it. Okay, and if you're not technical, don't worry. The system does all this for you. I can barely understand it myself. But what it does is it sends follow-up emails. Okay, so it literally, this system, this business will have automated emails that go out following up with the people that have seen your website. So you get access to this free website, you post the ads online, when people respond, you just send them to your website and they start getting these follow-up emails, and over time people will decide to buy. Over time people will go to the order form, pull out their credit card and make an investment, okay? So it's absolutely incredible. And then also there's videos that upsell for you. So remember how I said the fortune is in the follow-up, and you want to upsell people to really make a dramatic amount of money. Well, at the link around this video, there's 5 different income streams that the system will upsell people for you. So you're not going to just make one little itsy-bitsy, teeny tiny, wussy little $25 commission like, ClickBank or some of these other places. You're going to be able to literally make up to 100% instantly paid commissions in 5 different income streams, okay? So this is why it's my #1 recommended after 5 long years online business that's automated and passive. If you want information, if you're watching this and this resonates and you want to learn how you can put all this in place in virtually minutes, go to the link on or around this video and start to go through the process. We have people from all over the world, people that are brand new, people that are 18 years old, all the way up to 80 years old who have never done this. They're technically challenged in some cases. They've never sold a single thing. Plug into this, not even know what they're doing. Just, click here, move my mouse like this, and see money coming into their bank account. It's absolutely incredible. And you can do this too, my friends. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did get value, like it to let me know to make more. Also, if you're new and you're watching this on YouTube, subscribe to my channel so you never miss out on my latest videos. And again, if you want access to this while it's still available, that link is a private invitation. I'm actually still taking new people on to show them this process. Go to the link on or around this video and check it out before it goes away forever. Anyway, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.